Have you ever got a big PDF file and only needed a few pages from it? Or maybe you wanted to split one PDF into smaller parts like chapters or sections? It can be really confusing if you don't know the right tool. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to extract selected pages and how to split a PDF into smaller files using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's start by learning how to extract selected pages from a PDF. First, go to the top menu and click on Page. Now choose the pages you want to extract and make a new PDF. You can pick one page, many pages, or even a range of pages. After selecting, click on the Extract button here, then click OK. Systweak PDF Editor will now extract the pages you selected. Make a new PDF file with them and open it. The new PDF file will be saved in the same folder where the original file was saved. As you can see, here is the new PDF we just made by extracting the selected pages. Now, let's see how to split one PDF into many smaller PDFs using page ranges. Make sure you are still in the page menu. Now select the group of pages you want to split. For each group, a new PDF will be made. Let's select one group of pages from here to here. Then another one from here to here. And one more from here to here. So now, we have selected three groups. This means the Systweak PDF Editor will create 3 new PDF files, one for each group and one extra file with all the pages that were not selected. Once your selection is done, click on the Split button. Now choose the option that says Create multiple PDFs for each range. Also, if needed, you can select to split just the even pages or just the odd pages. Now click OK. The new PDF files will be saved in the same folder where the original file was saved. That's it. Your PDF is now split into different files. So this is how you can extract pages or split a PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there is any issue, just write it in the comments. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.